So what are you doing? What are you doing?
Making noise.
Noise. What kind of noise?
Like a cup that making a vibrate.
Ah. Now your brother wants to do it too. Let's see if he can do it. Let's see if he can do it. Okay, go ahead. You have to drink first? It's too full. Okay. Yes, good. Now I have to get him. You can do it? Good. Good. Okay.